Is it time to buy or sell Novo Nordisk AS stock? In this video, we will explore Novo Nordisk AS in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Novo Nordisk AS as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.13. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a loss of 27.49%. This results in an average loss of 9.16% per day since its classification as a strong sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 2.33% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -2.33% to 56.28%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -52.66%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -66.03% to -32.90% over the next year. This would place the future price between $17.00 and $33.57. Our latest daily update for Novo Nordisk AS includes the headline: Novo Nordisk AS stock price took a fall of 7.25% on Wednesday. The Novo Nordisk AS stock price fell by 7.25% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025. Dropping from $53.94 to $50.03. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.9%, with a low of $49.60 and a high of $51.54. Over this period, the price has been quite volatile, resulting in a loss of 25.37% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock trends. On the last trading day, the volume dropped by 46 million shares, with a total of 64 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.23 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $139.74, while the lowest price was $49.60. Currently, the price is 64.20% or $89.71 below the 52-week high, and 66.23% or $98.12 below the all-time high recorded on the 25th of June 2024, when the price peaked at $148.15. Novo Nordisk, or NVO, experienced a significant decline in its shares today, falling by 7.2%. This drop mirrors a broader downturn in the market, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq also reporting losses. The recent downturn comes after an alarming 22% decrease following the company's announcement of a notable downgrade in its sales and profit forecasts. This revision is largely attributed to weak demand for its GLP-1 drugs and increasing competition in the sector. Despite these challenges, some analysts believe that this turbulent period might offer a buying opportunity, as NVO's price-to-earnings ratio has now reached half of its 5-year average, suggesting that the shares could be undervalued. Additionally, the recent introduction of NovoCare, which aims to enhance sales of Wegovy, along with the stabilization from the new European Union and United States trade agreement, may serve as potential growth drivers in the near future, instilling a degree of optimism regarding long-term fundamentals. However, the company is currently facing scrutiny due to ongoing investigations into possible securities fraud and allegations of providing misleading information to investors. These legal challenges could raise serious concerns about shareholder confidence and contribute to volatility in NVO's stock price. In summary, while short-term fluctuations may foster a bearish sentiment, long-term investors might identify opportunities if the company can effectively navigate its challenges and fulfill its growth strategies. The interactions of these factors will be crucial in shaping the future direction of Novo Nordisk stock. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 25th of April 2025, it was reported that DBS Bank assigned NVO a sell grade, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April 2025, Exane BNP Paribas reported an underperform grade for NVO with an initialize action. On Friday, the 10th of January 2025, Deutsche Bank assigned NVO a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 6th of January 2025, Bernstein reported a market perform grade for NVO with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 20th of December 2024, Jefferies assigned NVO a underperform grade alongside a hold action. Analysts have assigned Novo Nordisk AS stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Novo Nordisk AS. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Novo Nordisk AS is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal is present, indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance can be expected at levels of $64.60 and $69.67. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 38.27%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal, which occurred 33 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity that was identified 2 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a sell signal from 3 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal that arose 24 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average has generated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average reflected a sell signal 4 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal from 15 days ago. To discover more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Novo Nordisk AS. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.94 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 3.9%. Additionally, during the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.98%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Novo Nordisk AS, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 94 cents. It is wise to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Novo Nordisk AS. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Novo Nordisk AS is at $53.94. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before establishing a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could represent a point to consider for swing trading. Additionally, there is a lack of significant support from accumulated volume below this level, indicating that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. It is essential to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Novo Nordisk A stock a good buy? Novo Nordisk A currently exhibits several negative indicators and is navigating a broad, declining trend. We anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly over the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. In light of some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a sell to a strong sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 31st of July, we expect Novo Nordisk A to open higher by approximately 35.8 cents, starting at $50.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.